Okay, let's...
5 minutes later.
I rode a little bit yesterday, so that's why it's a little bit dirty. We bought this thing not too long ago, and we're going to put new grips on it. Probably fork seals, but gosh dang it. Alright, hello YouTube. We are riding a KTM 400 MXC, I believe. Something like that. I'm not positive. But we're just gonna do a little bit of riding with this thing. We picked it up not too long ago, and I decided that it would make a great YouTube video. So stay tuned. Yeah, it can jump decent, yeah. There's a stick right there. Neutral. But yeah, no, I'm rocking a front brake right now. I ran that sucker into a tree. I even got the clip of it. I'll show it here. Holy crap. Oh, I regret that so much. Oh. There goes a front brake lever. Ah, gosh dang. But yeah, I hadn't went on that trail with this bike. Oh gosh dang. I hadn't went on that trail with this bike, and I wasn't really used to it. And, well, that happened right there. I probably could have went a little bit longer. Alright, let's try to wheelie down this hill. Oh, I forgot I don't have a front brake. I was using the back one. Usually I did the front brake a little. Oh, that's a thorn tree right there. Holy cow. Where do I want to go? That's what I mean. I'm too scared to give a lot of throttle. And kind of chase it a little little bit. Now this one, oh yeah, I love this jump because there's nothing that can possibly go wrong in this jump. Like you see professionals do, but on a pretty form, it's pretty good. Oh gosh. Oh dude. Oh, that one hurt. I got a lot of air that time though. And I went far. Oh, there's birds everywhere. Sad. Oh, I see. I bet you that hill doesn't look steep at all. And it isn't really that steep, but let's see if I can do this. Gosh dang it. It'd be nice if I can do it in the field, but this field's for hay. Alright, let's see if I can hit this. Wait, where am I going? I don't know why I was going that far back. Oh, yeah. Oh, dude. That's a lot of stinking air. Going here and turning. Alright, that did not work as well. Are you kidding me? I don't even know if that's how you use that lever. Okay. I think I see a way to go. Get down over there. Okay, just gotta make it up that hill. That was not bad at all. I don't know. I've always been scared to do that. That wasn't bad at all. I'm probably gonna have every joint problem in the world by the time I'm 20 years old. Because just thorn tree, okay, we good. It's a look, that's a thorn bush, gosh dang. Got my hand. Just worried about a tree, next thing I know, I'm flying, inching towards a thorn bush or a briar bush. Alright, I'm gonna get big boy right here. I'm also gonna break my back. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's good right to that. Oh, this thing's about out of gas, and it ran out of gas. I was wondering why it was bogging. It's definitely out of gas. Sorry. Oh. Yeah, it's out of gas. Well, house is up there. That's my fault. Well, I guess this will be the end of the video. Ran out of gas, and yep. Alright. So, don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good day.